Hey, what's up everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Check it out. You see that awning? It is complete. We have a big event happening this Saturday, August 29th, and we want you to all be a part of it. Our construction at American Eagle is just about complete, and we plan on celebrating it this weekend, August 29th. We're kicking it off at 11 o'clock. Now remember, our construction is done, but Bootleggers Live is still working on it, and that will be done in November, so be ready for that. But one of the kick-ass things about this event that we have going on is our construction is done. Welcome home and welcome back to American Eagle Harley-Davidson. We've been open the whole time, but we want you to come back and be a part of us for this day. So if you look behind me, what is that? I know it's kind of tall. That is a 100-foot flagpole. We have one here, and we have one at Bootleggers Live. The cool thing about this one right here is that one is going to be now holding a 75-foot American flag. Can you imagine that? I mean, I apologize. A 65-foot American flag. How kick-ass is that? We are doing this flag raising ceremony Saturday, August 29th at 11 o'clock. Come out and join us. We're so excited because we have our combat vets, CVMA 23-1 is going to be doing our flag raising ceremony. Check that sucker out. We are so excited. They're a big part of our family, and we are honored that they are going to be doing our flag raising. And we have a special guest, one of the 23-1 members. You're going to have to wait and find out, is going to be singing the national anthem. I mean, how awesome is that? We're so excited to have him, but you know what? We're not going to reveal who it is yet. We'll give you a little teaser and try and think of who with 23-1 can sing, and you are going to be pleasantly surprised. We're so excited. After we're doing the flag raising ceremony here, we're literally going to walk right down the sidewalk, and Bootleggers Live is going to be, we're going to be raising the Texas flag over there. Our Hog Chapter, our AE Hog Chapter is going to be raising that one. Come out and join us because it is an epic event, and it's been something that we've been talking about for years, and it's finally complete. We have the Mayor of Corinth coming out. We have the Corinth Police Department. We have our Lake City's Fire Department. We have so many people coming out to be a part of this event. But we want you. It is welcome for everybody. I mean, how often do you see a kick-ass Harley-Davidson dealership with 100-foot flagpoles with a 65-foot flag hanging from it? Definitely in North Texas, you're not going to find that. So this is open to everybody. Come out and join us. We have so many activities going on. Our combat vets are going to be grilling up some burgers and some dogs for donations. We have snow cones. We have events going on throughout the day. You're just going to have to wait to find out. This is a family-friendly event, so everybody is welcome. So we have live music. After the flag ceremony at 11, at 12 o'clock, we have Fleetwood Journey is going to be rocking our stage, so we're so excited to have them. So come on out, bring a couple lawn chairs, enjoy some kick-ass music, enjoy our welcome home, and be a part of this flag raising ceremony. And we want to just thank you guys all for being a part of this journey with us. I mean, we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys, so please come out and join us on this special day. Again, more details to follow, but mark your calendars. Saturday, August 29th. I'd get here by about 10:30 so you get a good spot and you could be here as that 65-foot flag, American flag, is getting raised right there behind us. I am so excited. Come out and join us. We will see you on the 29th.